Obviously, SLAs are incredibly important, but to be able to achieve our SLAs, it would be great if we could also track our internal team handoffs alongside those SLAs. Can you kind of walk me through how we can do that?
So the SweetHawk Timers app allows you to start and stop timers for anything, to time anything, and then do anything at or before or even after a timer duration hits. So you can see here, I've already got a few timers that are running on this ticket. But when we're talking about kind of internal handoffs specifically, now that could just be handing it off between groups, but it could be more a nuanced kind of thing, like how long does it take legal to approve something using the SweetHawk Approve app, or how long does it take to complete this task list? All of those things can be timed. So if I was to assign this ticket here over to the dev group, we'll be able to see that it automatically applies a timer to say, well, how long are we taking? How long is this ticket taking in dev? And then once you assign the ticket away from dev, then it's going to automatically stop this timer that's just started. So if I go and then give it back to support, like so, assign to support, submit that, and then that timer stops. And when that timer stops, like I was saying, you can do anything at or before or after. In this case, it's very basic what we're doing, which we're injecting the amount of time it took for dev to action that timer into a numeric field. And the reason why it's good to go into a numeric field is that it ends up in Zendesk Explore automatically as a metric ready to be sliced and diced.
It's the difference between having an SLA that keeps getting missed. What you really need is what are all the little mini signals and handoffs that are happening so we know where we need more resourcing, where do we need to improve processes. They're the dials that you can actually move to enable you to hit that target SLA as opposed to just setting it at a high level and hoping for the best.
Totally. And just being able to do stuff X time before an SLA hits, that's something that you can only do using Zendesk automations, which is they fire once every hour, but not exactly. Whereas the Timers app allows you to do stuff down to the minute. So if you need something to happen 5 minutes before that SLA hits, no problems. You can pop up a notification in the SweetHawk Notify app or shoot over a Slack message to the team.